Welcome everyone, this is your Professor Next Door and here we are for another Prof Next Adventures. So samahan niyo ako sa isang popular tourist destination dito sa Kyoto, Japan, ang Fushimi Inari Taisha na ating bibisitahin at aakyatin. So let's go and start this journey. So palagi na sa kabila. We are now here in Kyoto, so this will be our itinerary for today. Samahan niyo ako.
The Fushimi Inari Shrine was founded in 711 AD by the Hata family on Mount Inari. Fushimi Inari Taisha is the head shrine of thousands of Inari shrines across Japan. Shinto legend states the shrine was built where a white swan, transformed from a rice cake, landed and caused rice to grow miraculously. Originally dedicated strictly to Kami Inari, the god of rice and agriculture, the shrine predates the founding of Kyoto as the imperial capital by over 80 years. During the Heian period, it gained massive popularity and imperial patronage, leading to its relocation slightly further down the mountain in 816 AD and its elevation to the highest rank of Shinto shrines by 942 AD. The physical structure seen today evolved heavily over the centuries following major historical conflicts. After burning down during the destructive Onin War, the main shrine building, or Gohonden, was rebuilt in 1499. Nearly a century later, in 1589, the warlord Toyotomi Hideyoshi donated the grand main gate, known as the Roman Gate, to pray for his mother's health. The shrine's most defining feature, the thousands of vibrant vermilion torii gates, became a tradition during the Edo period. Merchants, businesses, and individuals began purchasing and placing these gates along the mountain paths to express gratitude or pray for commercial success, transforming the agricultural shrine into a timeless symbol of financial prosperity. The mountainous path of the Fushimi Inari Shrine is noticeably filled with fox statues or the kitsune, which serves as the sacred messengers of the Inari, the Shinto god of rice, agriculture, and business. They are not really the gods themselves, but rather spiritual intermediaries between humans and the deity. Ancient Japanese farmers associated wild foxes with agriculture because the animals descended from the mountains into the valleys around springtime, right when the rice planting season began. By hunting rodents, the foxes naturally approached crops, leading people to believe they were spiritual guardians sent by the gods.
So now this will be the start of our long walk and climb up to the top of the Fushimi Inari Shrine. So masusubukan talaga dito yung ating endurance at yung kakayanan na maglakad na mahaba, knowing that the terrain here is up and down and syempre yung dadaan natin ay papunta ng taas. So samahan nyo ako and let us explore the Fushimi Inari Shrine. And for this adventure, we'll be accompanied by my older brother na nakapunta na rin naman dito but willing siyang samahan tayo hanggang sa taas to help us explore. Hopefully we have enough energy para madala natin yung ating sarili sa taas and kakayanin natin to, I'm sure. Kaya pa naman. Sarap. Exercise. Ano to kuya? Ano to? Oh, sige, dito tayo sa hindi pa natin explore. Dalas ka. Hindi pala talaga pantay yung ano, yung hagdan. Sabi mo parang tabingi. Ang taas na dito. And putik. Parang ito yung medyo liblib na area dito. But still maganda. Oh, mga kawayan. Ayos. Dito ba nagte-training si Ricky Moro? Ang taas na nito, may ano pa. May ilog pa.
May bamboo.
Wait lang. Naipit ako dun. Ano meron dito?
रश तुम देखना भी कैसे बढ़ेगा हम तो लकी है बेड में हम 9:30 बजे उठे हैं।
Talagang dapat nakakondisyon ka rito kapag aakyat ka dahil matarik at tuloy-tuloy yung steps. So magandang test to para sa mga gusto ng mga long walks na may elevation. So yung mahabang inakyat ko nilakad-lakad ay apparently kalahati pa lang daw. So tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. So far so good. What a great experience. Marami pa tayong dadaan steps and mga story. Let's go. Pataas na pataas yung akyat natin. Kakayanin naman siguro. Kaya pa naman tayong energy. Ayan.
Wow.
Gusto ko picture rin doon. Okay, so far nandito na tayo sa ganito kataas pero hindi pa rin ito yung tuktok nitong inaakyat natin. So tuloy tayo. We are nearing the summit. Konti na lang. 10 minutes daw, sabi. Puro 10 minutes. Yan yata yung version nila rito na kapag sinabing malapit lang malapit lang. Dito 10 minutes pero malayo.
10 minutes na lang.
Oo. Pawis na ako. Lain mo yun. Speedrun mo. So, souvenir shop, first stop. So 5 minutes away. Okay. Or 5 minutes away daw. I don't know how far is that 5 minutes.
Wala sa baba.
300 na. Plus 20 in kada ano. So after a long while, is this it? Is this the top of the mountain? Okay. It looks like this is the top of the mountain. So nakarating na tayo. So ito lang yung makikita rito sa taas. Wait lang, mag-picture pa ako. So ito yung makikita natin sa taas. So we're already informed naman ng guide kanina na wala namang ibang view sa taas kundi ito. This is the last shrine sa pinakatuktok. So narating din natin after the long walk. So since sumakyat tayo pataas at nakarating tayo sa tuktok, walang ibang gagawin kundi bumaba. So Lalakad ulit tayo pero pababa naman. Dito ulit tayo. Let's go! So ulit. What a great experience. So, isang magandang observe natin dito, no? Japan was really able to preserve the environment despite sa advancements sa technology and of course economic development, no? So nakakatuwa lang. And they're also able to preserve their cultural tradition by investing sa mga ganitong tourist destination, and of course place to reconnect with nature and with their tradition and sa kanilang religion. Parang pare-parehas lang naman na yun, eh, no? May nag-ano ron, kuya? Dinaanan natin kanina. Baba na tayo dun sa same trail na dinaanan natin kanina. So, sige, kita-kita lang tayo dun sa baba. So dito tayo sa same trail na dinaanan natin kanina, paakyat. Medyo madami-dami na ulit yung tao. So, sige, kita na lang tayo sa baba. Video ko lang yan. So, we are finally done with our ascend at nakababa na rin tayo. Ito na tayo sa pinanggalingan natin kanina. So, we're about to end this video. So, I hope that you enjoyed our trip dito sa Fushimi Inari Taisha Shrine. Mahirap i-pronounce. But I hope that you enjoyed the place as much as I did. So yun lang. Thank you very much. This is your professor next door. Always saying, take care of yourselves and take care of each other. Have a great day ahead. Bye.